In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank account in Amazon app. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the Amazon shopping app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the familiar Amazon home screen with the search bar across the top and different product sections below. If your app opens to a different tab, that is fine, as long as you can see the bottom navigation bar. Next, sign into your Amazon account. If you are already signed in, you will see your name or profile details in the app. If not, enter your email and password and complete any security check Amazon shows. Once you are signed in, the app will refresh and take you back to the main shopping area. From there, tap the profile icon, the small person symbol on the bottom bar. When you tap it, the screen changes to show your name at the top, along with options related to your orders, lists, and account settings. This is where Amazon keeps most of your personal and payment options together. Now tap your account. This opens a longer menu of account tools, like login and security, addresses, and other settings. Scroll a little if needed until you see the section that contains payment and wallet options. Next up, tap your payments. The screen switches to your Amazon wallet, with tabs or sections for cards, bank accounts, and possibly Amazon Pay balance. Here you should see a list of payment methods that you have added before. At this point, select the bank account you want to remove. Tap directly on that bank entry, not on any card or other method. When you tap it, the details for that bank account appear, such as the bank name and the last few digits of the account number. Double-check you chose the correct one, so you do not remove the wrong account. If you see an Edit button, tap Edit. On some versions, this appears near the top right of the bank details screen. After tapping it, the layout may change slightly to show options for managing that bank account, including the option to remove it. With that ready, tap Remove from Wallet or Delete, whichever appears on your screen. This tells Amazon you want to take this bank account out of your list of payment methods. Right after you tap, Amazon usually brings up a small confirmation prompt, so you do not remove it by accident. Finally, confirm by tapping Remove or Delete. After you confirm, the bank account disappears from your Amazon payment methods list and you will no longer see it in your payments. If you return to the wallet screen, that bank account will no longer be available for checkout. You have now successfully removed a bank account from your Amazon shopping app wallet. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear Amazon how-tos.